非常に used in news, reports, and polite conversations when stating a strong degree. 非常にニュース、レポート、丁寧な会話で強い程度を言うときによく使います。It is used as an adverb. 非常に intensifies degree, very or extremely, often in formal or polite contexts, placed before adjectives, verbs, or quantifiers. とても、極めてのように、物事の程度を強く上げて言う表現です。数や量、感情、変化などに使えます。The first kanji means not or non and shows the idea of something outside the norm. You can feel this in words like 非公式, where something is not official. It also appears in 非常口, a special exit for unusual situations. It often sets a formal or serious tone. The second kanji means usual or normal and points to what happens regularly. You see it in 常識, meaning the common sense that people usually share. It is also in 日常, the everyday, ordinary life. Together, it contrasts the normal with a. 今日 This store is very popular. この店は非常に人気があります。この店は非常に人気があります。It's very cold today. 今日は非常に寒いです。今日は非常に寒いです。The movie was very interesting. その映画は非常に面白かったです。その映画は非常に面白かったです。He is very busy, so I will call you later. 彼は非常に忙しいので、後で電話します。彼は非常に忙しいので、後で電話します。The most common synonyms of the word are とても and 極めて。とても is casual and used in everyday speech. 極めて is quite formal and written like. 非常に overlaps with both, but leans formal and polite. The most common antonym of the word is 少し, which shows a low degree. It contrasts with 非常に, which shows a very high degree.